Yeah, so I thought ocean crabs would get rid of the normal crabs, but really it just made them mad.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
you know now, don't you?
Hey!
Fuck, I'm glad I didn't have to do that.
Why not?
Oh, don't tell anyone I cannot scull a beer. It's embarrassing.
Don't worry, your secret's safe with me, mate. Oi, boys, Frenchy wants to scull a beer.
Hey! Come on!
No.
He's real good at it.
Boys,
Let's see it. Come on,
you can't scull a beer. I'm not going to do it, okay?
Judas?
You are a disgrace to the pussy, idiot! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Satan?
You're a fucking muggle.
I don't
want to
be
be your
fucking
friend.
muggle.
Beer for the boys!
Oh shit, Frenchy, you fucked up now. That is a lot of beer. You cannot scull that much beer. What are you gonna do? How are you gonna get out of this? Shit yourself. No, that won't work. Come on, French, don't shit yourself again. Come on, think of something. You've got a sick moustache. You can do anything you want now. Do it, mate. Do it, French. Come on, do it for the boys, French.
Okay, fuck it, I'll do it. You think I can't scull a beer? No problem.
There we go. Down. Still going. Sip. Nearly there. Come on.
You're an embarrassment, son.
Let's take him out of the will, honey.
Whatever you say, doll.
This is why I broke up with you when you're 5.
I can't believe I used to suck his pecker.
The youth of today are fucking pussies.
Sia does not approve.
Yes, I did it, boys. Boys, I did it. Fuck. And I've shut myself.
You still go?
No, I did it.
Why is there so much cum in my room?
I was here.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.